Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Ride to the Sun. This morning, I saw a post on YouTube that gave me about a gazillion reasons as to why I should buy a road glide. And none of those reasons was your life. That's the reason why I buy a road glide over a street glide. And I'm telling you why. Good morning, this is Ride to the Sun. I'm Andre. Welcome back to the channel. This morning, this is going to be real quick. I promise you. This is a new face for the Road Glide ST. Okay? And I'm going to show you why I have a new face sitting in my living room, because your life depends on it. So it's early. I just made my coffee. I'm getting ready to go sign on to work. But I needed to do this because I saw a video first thing this morning about all the reasons to buy a road glide. Okay, so let me get down and show you. The fender is no longer here. Matter of fact, the fender is up there. I took it off already, getting ready to rebuild the front. And I did a first post on the first part of putting this all together. Okay, this is the face of a road glide. Someone wants to give you 25 million reasons to buy a road glide. This fairing up front, mounted to the frame of the road glide, is the only reason why you should buy yourself a road glide over a street glide or road glide limited over an ultra. Okay? Make no mistake, if I didn't have this fairing on, I wouldn't be speaking to you today. Okay, I was bumped by a car on I-95 down in St. Augustine, and then right after that, immediately as he was bumping me off the road, a tire flew from underneath his car and wrapped around me, literally wrapped around me, and slapping me around. But it was the fairing that kept it from knocking me off the bike. Now imagine if your handlebar is attached to the fairing. There is nothing to take the blunt but your hands, and it will knock you off your bike. They'll probably still be scripting me off of I-95. If there's a reason to buy a road glide or a road glide limited, it is that. It is your life. It has nothing to do with all the crazy reasons people was telling you on their posts as to why you should buy this over that. It is your life depends on it, because probably what kills the most people on these highways are the road debris, the trash on the roads, those flying tires. Okay, besides ridiculous people, because had the guy not bumped me, was right in front of me, like I probably would have seen it and moved around it. Okay, his initial hit kind of hit my bumper, but what took the bike out almost and me was the tire. But what saved me was this frame-mounted fairing that kept it from slamming me or hitting the handlebars out of my hands or knocking me over. That's the only reason. Only reason to buy a road glide. It is the safest thing that Harley makes. It has a fairing, and it is quite substantial. And on another note, if you have an ST, or if you plan on putting one of these on your bike, don't. Because whatever it was slammed my leg against this thing, nearly broke my leg. Okay? This is not required. Get you a flat ventilator type and be done with it. This is Andre from Ride to the Sun. One thing you're going to know is I'm always going to tell you the truth. You may not like it, but this is what you're going to get from me. The only channel that brings you everything motorcycling. Adventure, Harleys, Triumphs, you name it. Let's go!